Okay, today I'm in Tiara Mutiara 2 with Janice here. Hello, Janice.
Hi.
Janice will be taking me around to Tiara Mutiara 2, and this place is strategically located. Right opposite is Jalan Puchong. It's very noisy. You can hear this. Then down here is a service apartment. There's 2 blocks, and there's a lot of shops on there. So we go and check this place out, lah. Okay. These are some of the shops available here. So there's a mini mart here, and also there's My News down there. Easy for the residents to come. If you're a visitor, you can take this road, go down to the parking, the paid parking, the supermarket. Management office. So this is the entrance to the location. This is where your unit is. Go up there. The lobby is nice, man. Got aircon, wait for lift. Oh. Corridor here, length. A bit small, but it's okay. This is the unit that we are coming into. You shall see. This is how we are. In the moment you enter, you reach the living hall, dining area, living hall, and turn around is the kitchen. This unit is partially furnished unit, 900 square feet. Okay. The unit is facing the other unit this side in the yard. You can have your washing machine there. The tap is there. It's okay. Even the outlet is already there. Go to the next one. It has 3 rooms and 2 bathrooms. This is where the rooms are located. This hallway here on the right side is the master bedroom. The direct is master bedroom. This is the second room. Okay, these 2 rooms will share 1 bathroom. This is the room. Rooms are here. And the next one is this. It's another room. This room and second and third room, I feel that it's a little bit smaller than the usual one, but it's 900 square feet. So, and this is the bathroom, shared by 2 rooms, and then you head over to the master room. Master room is huge. Wardrobe, ceiling to floor wardrobe, and this is the bathroom. Bathroom comes with water heater, mirror, and basic in the outlet. This unit, right, it's a beautiful unit in terms of view. From here, you get to see the river, and outside here is located Jalan Puchong a bit. You see this Jalan Puchong here. How a little bit noise, but still bearable, no problem. No high rise beside. This is the best part because they are all landed, so no high rise beside. Unblocked view, and with the river in there. This is the living hall. You can fit a 3-seater sofa. If you want, you can put a side cushion, make it a 5-seater. But I would say 3-seater is more than enough for this kind of size. You can see the internet line behind, and also underneath the aircon, the TV lines are all ready. So this part here is, I like this very airy, and the aircon, actually the fan here is more than enough to cover the whole place. So I'm at the 8th floor, which is the facility floor. Let's go and see what is in Tiara Mutiara 2. Hey, oh. Okay, not here. This is the floor plan for level 8. Let me see. Okay. Let's go and check it out. On the left, there's still units, still residents here. So this is the corridor. We have the multi-purpose hall here and refuse room. Refuse room quite big. There's also a tap here, but no ventilation. So. Okay, I'm at level 8, so let's go check out the facilities. On my right is the playground, on my left is the swimming pool. Here we have the kids' playground. It's overseeing the other side. This is the kids' playground. Podium, swing. It's overseeing this housing area side. Okay, so we are at this swimming pool fountain. It's a beautiful fountain here, but it's not functioning at the moment. No, but I like the greens here. It's a garden. There's the seat, veranda, multi-purpose hall. Take you through. Okay, there's an outdoor gym equipment. And corridor leading up to another place, and this is the gym. Let's go take a closer look. Gym. City's not bad, huh? Landscaping beautifully done. So it's a gym. Okay, not bad, but quite a number of people. Quite well equipped. You can see the dumbbell inside. I don't know whether the video can get or not. Okay, this place is a bit. You can see the wires are still jutting out. Don't know what is this place for, but it's huge, man. It could be an office. It's huge. Everything is ready. Wiring, everything for aircon. It's huge. Let me show you. Let me show you how big the place is. Yeah, it's empty. For a water resistance gym pool, there are 2 swimming pools here, one that side, and 2 barbecues. One barbecue here, one barbecue pit, and this is the highlight. Beautiful swimming pool. Okay, I think it's an infinity pool concept whereby you can see that side, water flowing down, and you can sit down here. Oh, very noisy. Okay, swimming pool is right behind me. I'm at the sitting area. Imagine sitting down here after swimming, then you rest. This is the swimming pool. The view is behind. The water flowing. It's very calming actually, very soothing. Makes me feel like I want to jump right into the pool now. Let's go around again. This is the jacuzzi. Unfortunately, it's not working at the moment. Closed. Let's check out the other pool. Oh, some maintenance work. Okay. Let's sit here. It's a veranda here. This pool is even better. You can sit down here, sunbathe. Wow, having the view of the city. thank you for watching the tour. I hope you like it. Yes, as you can tell, I forgot to record the closing for the property tour. So this is what I wanted to say. Actually, I wanted to talk about my conclusion. So having toured that place and walking around, I realized that Tiara Mutiara 2 is very strategically located right at the main road. So from Jalan Puchong, you can go to PJ Mid Valley, and then from there, you can go down straight away to Puchong as well. But it's on the other side of the road where you straight go up to Mid Valley and also Bangsa South. So people who are actually working there in Mid Valley and Bangsa South area could come back to Tiara Mutiara easily. It's on the way. That is one advantage. Second, the developer actually paid attention to a lot to the facade and also the facilities. The facilities are well maintained, and I find that the layout, even at 900 square feet, is very practical. You have a lot of space. I just don't really like the design where the door is a bit like a square, a sharp edges at the door. Maybe it's just my own preference, but it looks like sharp edges instead of the normal square ones that you see. Other than that, I think Tiara Mutiara is a very good place for people to stay, or if you're working nearby, as I mentioned, you can rent. There's also the convenience around the store, the shops downstairs. I just hope that the management actually will take more initiative to find tenants for the shops down instead of leaving it up to the market to attract more tenants for the shops and also more tenants for the place. You fill in the occupancy of the place and then you have the shops that complement the lifestyle of the people. For example, a laundry. I didn't see a laundry there. You should be able to attract more occupants and indirectly will affect the price of the rental and also the property moving forward. That's it for my conclusion. I'll see you again in the next video. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. Bye bye.